this tail? Show me. It's September 18th, 2012.
Oh, he's crying.
Ian, show me, what does the lion do with the tail?
What does he do with the tail? Oh, he's crying.
He's crying. Oh. Hey, group hug. No hitting.
Oh.
Show me, what does the lion do with his tail? No hitting, I said.
Hey, Ian, you coward, you don't hit.
No hitting.
No hitting, coward.
Ow! Ian.
You won't fall.
No. No. Ow! Good night. Good night, Buzz. No, let me see what the lion does with his tail then. Let me see. Show Mama.
I got something.
Bye!
Oops.